Hi, happy entrepreneurs. My name's Farhana Cannon. I am a global social media and brand expert and the founder of iMedia Exposure. I wanted to come on here and really serve our community of entrepreneurs today. It's uncertain times, and what we do know is that business is going virtual. I wanted to share my 5 tips on how to attract and convert your perfect customer on social media. So, number 1, it's all about the narrative. And what that means is that you want to have a clear and consistent brand identity and brand message across all social media platforms. Number 2, you want to make sure that you have a digital marketing plan that really lays out everything about your business, your products, your services, when and how you're going to disseminate information and capture leads. 3, you want to have quality, consistent content. I suggest creating a content calendar so that you know what kinds of content that you're going to be promoting daily, as well as rolling out any events, virtual events, also sales, product launches, book launches, anything that you're going to be working on and promoting. You want to do 80-20 rule, 80% expert knowledge, making sure everyone knows how great you are and all the knowledge that you know, as well as 20% sales. Social media should be social, and we want to build relationships. So it takes us to number 4. Know who your tribe is and where they hang out, and engage. Ask questions, have engaging situations on polls or stories, things like that. And then number 5 is you want to have a sales and marketing funnel. Now that we've attracted our tribe by creating beautiful content and providing expert information and providing opportunities to know about our products and services, creating quality, consistent messaging, and knowing and engaging with your tribe, you want to make sure that you have sales and marketing funnels to actually convert these tribes. If you want to know a little bit more about each of these different segments, please join me on my Attract and Convert Your Perfect Client on social media.